Come on.
Oh, I'm gonna send this to Seth.
Yeah, bite it. Bite, bite,
All
bite.
of it.
Come on. Chew. All right, chew it.
Luke, really? This is gonna hurt. You doing good?
20 seconds into it, buddy.
Wow, you were doing okay.
I feel the pressure coming on.
You keep it in your
Starting
mouth.
to sweat a little.
Fire in the hole.
No, the fire in the hole is going to be later on.
That must have been a weak jalapeno. I mean, weak habanero.
Who had to do it?
This is gonna be the greatest thing ever.
Okay, just talk on sugar and
This is gonna hurt. You better turn over there. You better go ready to turn over there.